My name is Will, and this is the argument deck building game, where we take metaphoric, ethereal concepts in an argument and turn them into real physical cards and game mechanics in this competitive board control deck building game. These games can get out of control, and you win when your opponent's patience is reduced to 0. So how does this work? Well, in an argument, those words are symbolized in the form of logic cards. Logic cards work to directly defeat your opponent's logics as well as reduce your opponent's patience. They're the main fighters in the argument, and they do most of the heavy lifting. In an argument, you also have to keep your mindset under control. And so mindsets become, well, mindsets. They help you with your deck building. They have some effects on the argument and on debating as well. You can also, in an argument, prepare a quick, witty statement. In this game, it takes the form of rebuttals, which go face down on the board, and when a certain condition is met, you reveal them to have a pretty strong effect on the argument. Also, in an argument, you may just get up and punch somebody. Well, this game has done that too. Deeds are one-use cards that have an instantaneous effect on either your deck building or the argument. And yes, you can double punch somebody in this game. Lastly, in this game, the arguer becomes a hero, and the heroes argue each other. For example, Gabby or Calm Courtney, or maybe just Rory, debating each other to try and reduce each other's patience to 0. This game takes about 90 minutes to play, is good for ages 14 and up, and is suited for 2 to 4 players. And really, the fewer players you have, the more competitive the game gets. And the more players you add, the more chaotic and crazy this game gets. Me and my playing group have had tons of fun play testing this game over and over, and I hope that you enjoy playing it as well. So with that, let's take a deeper dive in the next video with how to play the game.